In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Microsoft Store apps are not updating. So if you're having issues with the Microsoft Store, maybe your apps aren't updating automatically, or you're having issues opening the application altogether, then there's a few things we can do to fix this issue. Now, the first solution is just to open up your Start menu and search for Run, and then click on the Run icon. In this search box, type in wsreset.exe and hit Enter. Then give that a couple of seconds and it should automatically go and open up your Microsoft Store. You can then click on Library in the bottom left hand side and you can check to see if your applications are updating, or you can go and update them manually. Now if that's not working, the next solution is to head back over to the Start menu and search for PowerShell, and we're going to right click on the Windows PowerShell and run this as administrator. Now in this window we need to copy and paste the following command. Now I'm going to leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. So I'm just going to select all of this and press copy, and then I'm going to press Ctrl V on my keyboard to paste and hit Enter. Now just give that a couple of seconds while it goes and runs that command, and once you've done that you can close out of this window, and once again you can check to see if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, head back over to the Start menu and search for Settings. In the left hand navigation, click on Windows Update and then just press Check for Updates. Now if Windows does detect any pending updates here, you'll need to go and install those now, and once you've done that you can then restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, that should have fixed any issues with the Microsoft Store. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you, and I'll see you in the next one.